Today we will learn how we can deploy our static website in Hostinger. Okay, look, this is our project which is running in local right now. Okay, I want to deploy this project in Hostinger. So first go to our project folder and make it zip file. Okay, after that go to Hostinger. Then here we have to click on manage web hosting. Then here I am going to deploy under codingforyou.in domain, which is my only one domain right now. Then click on file manager, and as you know that all the projects are stored in public_html folder, which is a root directory. So click on public_html folder, but I do not want to deploy in the root directory, so I have to create one new folder, that is log. Okay, then under this folder I want to upload my zip file. Okay, and after that I have to extract it, and at the time of extraction we should provide dot as a folder name, because it extract in the same folder path. Okay, now our project was live. Look how simple it is. Now go to codingforyou.in and type /log, and here is our website. In this way we can deploy our project. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.